Want to snag FC26 without breaking the virtual bank? Let's dive into savvier ways to get your hands on this year's biggest football release. First and foremost, price comparison is your best friend. Don't just hit buy on the first retailer you see. Open up multiple tabs. Think major online stores, digital marketplaces, and even dedicated gaming forums. You'll be surprised at how much prices can fluctuate even within the same day. Next up, keep an eye out for bundle deals. Sometimes, publishers or retailers will offer FC26 as part of a package with other popular games or exclusive in-game content. Even if you're not interested in the extras, the combined price might be less than buying FC26 alone, making those bundled items a bonus. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to sales events. Major retail holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even seasonal sales are prime opportunities for discounts. If you can hold off a bit after release, you'll often find significant price drops, especially on digital versions. Don't forget about discount codes and coupons. Many websites offer special promotional codes that can be applied at checkout. A quick search for FC26 discount code or visiting coupon aggregation sites can yield some serious savings. By diligently comparing prices, exploring bundles, capitalizing on sales, and hunting for those crucial discount codes, you can significantly lower the cost of your FC26 purchase. Happy gaming and happy saving.